you can see the nested list. Now let us continue the program to display in the matrix form. Let us run this program. 3 sublist, 4 elements. So you could see the matrix form. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to create a program which will accept the values for the nested list and then display in the matrix form. Let us start with the comment line. Accept values for nested list and display as matrix. There will be a list and sublist inside the list, that is only called nested list. So when we are having a list, so n number of sublists supposed to be there. For that we will take one integer input from the user. Similar way, in the sublist, how many elements are there? For that also we need to take the input from the user. So I will be giving n and m for both. N is for number of sublist. So int of input of enter the number of sublist. M is equal to int of input of enter the number of elements in the sublist. I need a main list which I name it as ML is equal to empty list. Now I will be having a for loop for I in range. I can have up to n, that is 0 to n minus 1 it will run. Otherwise I can have 1 comma n plus 1. You will understand the reason later why I am starting from 1. Now it will be accepting the sublist. So sublist also values we are getting from the user. Once the sublist is appended, that sublist will get appended to the main list, which is ML. For loop which is created now will be for the main list. Inside that we will create sublist is equal to empty, so that every time the sublist becomes empty and the new values are taken, that is appended to the main list. We will give a print statement here, print. I will give a new line there and then sublist. Now I am going to give, that is I. See there, I is going to start from 1. So now you understand why I gave as 1 is the starting. 1, 2, 3, 4 it will be counting until n plus 1. Now I am going to create the sublist, getting the elements for the sublist from the user. For that purpose I create another for loop for j in range, that also 1 comma m plus 1. Similar way I am giving the print statement to prompt the user. I give a tab here and then element, that is j. So it will be saying element 1, 2, 3, 4 where how much ever it is there, and then I give a semicolon, and then I don't want to get a new line for this. I am giving end equal to empty string. So after printing this it will be staying in the same line. I am going to take the input from the user for this. So n is equal to int of input of. The message I am not giving here, message is already given as a print statement. Now I will be appending the element to the sublist, that is sl dot append of n. Once inner for loop get completed, m number of elements are there in the sublist, then we will come out of the inner loop and then we will update this list to the main list. So that is ml dot append of sl. Now our nested list is completed. I will show how it works. After checking we will complete the program. So print I am giving a new line to give a gap, \n, comma, ml. Let us execute first this one. Enter the number of sublist. I need 3. So enter the number of elements in the sublist. I give 4. So there will be 4 columns, 3 rows. So sublist 1, element 1. So 4 elements are taken. Now sublist 2. Again 4 elements will be taken. So sublist 3. Now again I am giving all 4 elements. So now all the elements are given. You can see the nested list. Now let us continue the program to display in the matrix form. Here also we will have nested for loop for I in ML. So it will be taking all the sublists as I. Then for j in I. So j is going to be element of sublist I. Now simply I print j, but I don't need to print in the next line. For that purpose I give end equal to one space there, so that there will be space between elements, but it will not go to the next line. So now come out of the inner loop. After printing all the elements of one sublist, I need that to come to next line. Here I am giving print up so that it comes to the next line. If you have learned the pattern programs, a nested loop will be very easy for you to understand. I have done 25 pattern programs within 25 minutes, but it will be very easy for you to understand and learn. So please visit that. I will also give the link in the description. If you want to print one line as matrix here, we can give before for loop. So print, I leave a line and then give there. So \n matrix. Let us run this program. 3 sublist, 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you could see the matrix form. Hope you understood well. If you are having any doubt regarding any program, or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.